Yes, it's giving me a big energy with you guys. Ay, nag-isa pa lang tayo. So, 54 minutes past 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Siyempre, we're still giving big energy. Comes through the music. Hala, parang may nag-notif sa TikTok. Oh my gosh. Mamaya ko pa yan ipasok. Anyways, you're still getting excited. But, alam niyo naman, ang word natin ngayon ay energy. Siyempre, pag energetic, dapat laging gumigising sa umaga. And you know it. Oh my gosh! Grabe. Grabe, alapet. 2 hours na yan mag-i-start. But, teka, ano bang amoy dito sa labas? Amoy usok ba yan? O ano, yung pulbura pala? May pulbura dito sa labas. Pero, amoy usok pala. My nose can't take it anymore. Yung ilong ko, hindi ko kinaya. But, you know about this song? To Unlimited. No limit. There's no limit. Diba? Siyempre, pag techno, pag sumabog ang tunog, alam niyo na. Well, that gives you the bigger energy you're giving me tonight. But later, I'll see you in 7 o'clock in the evening tonight. Siyempre, papasok tayo dito sa party room ko. So, trust the process. You have to be patient. So, kung gusto niyo kumanta, mag-queue up lang kayo ng songs. Kumanta lang kayo. Huwag mahiya. Don't be shy. Bawal mahiya. Pakita mo lang kung anong kaya mo. Kahit pagkanta lang, alam niyo na. Siyempre, if you like music on AM radio, bakit hindi ka makinig dun sa D1 12:06 AM? You better asking me why. Why am I still in a music taste? Swear to God, nasa IBC 13.3. So trust the process. If you have a sense of music taste, sense of humor, syempre, you're still listening to 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 in the evening tonight. But, oh my God, 9% na ako. I can't take it anymore. But, don't worry. I'll be right back. Siyempre, wala akong oras para makakapag-live broadcasting sesh. Kasi, my laptop still stays on the screen. Siyempre, pinatay ko muna yung soundbar kasi now you know. But yeah, I'll see you in 7 o'clock in the evening tonight. And happy tasking, everyone.